Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Spiritual protection. One of the notable benefits of reciting Surah Al-Lahab is its perceived ability to provide spiritual protection. By regularly reciting this surah, believers can seek refuge from the harmful effects of envy, hatred, and malicious intentions. It serves as a reminder that those who oppose righteousness ultimately face divine consequences, encouraging individuals to remain steadfast in their faith. Warning against arrogance. Surah Al-Lahab also acts as a warning against the dangers of arrogance and pride. The downfall of Abu Lahab serves as a powerful example of how such traits can lead to one's destructions. Reciting this surah helps believers reflect on their behaviors, fostering humility and a commitment to uphold justice and compassion in their interactions with others. Engaging with Surah Al-Lahab can bolster a believer's faith by reinforcing the importance of aligning oneself with the truth and righteousness. The surah emphasizes that no amount of wealth or status can protect one from the consequences of wrongdoing. This message encourages individuals to prioritize their relationship with Allah and strive for moral integrity. Protection from evil. Believers often recite Surah Al-Lahab as a means of seeking protection from negative influences and evil forces. By incorporating this surah into their daily prayers and routines, individuals can cultivate a sense of spiritual security and resilience against the challenges posed by adversaries or malevolent intentions. If someone has been transferred somewhere but he does not want to be transferred to any other place, so recite this surah 19 times after Maghrib prayer without Bismillah and Durud Pak and pray from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inshallah, his transfer will be cancelled and he will stay at the same place. It is narrated that recitation of this surah is good for relieving back pains, and reciting it before sleeping keeps one safe at night. Whoever recites this surah 7 times will be safe from his enemies. Whoever recites this surah in front of his enemies, inshallah, his enemy will not be able to harm him.